Hey y'all. So it's Friday and I got off early from work because Monday is a holiday. So usually the Friday before we could leave a little bit earlier. And we're on our way to the beach trip today. So we'll take y'all along with us. You have anything to say, Bo?
Excited to try this place out. A lot of content creators and tourists alike have been flocking to this restaurant that has a cenote in the middle of it with a swing. So I'm pretty pumped for it.
Yeah, we vlogging on our phone today because we needed to get a new SD card for our camera and it's supposed to come tonight at...
Yeah, it's supposed to come today before 8 p.m. And the good thing about it is they're dropping it off right to the lavanderia next door. So they'll accept the package for us and then they'll just secure it.
Yeah, so we're gonna get a taxi now and we'll let y'all know how much a taxi costs. Last time we got a taxi was from further down and it was to a closer spot on the beach strip. And it's only 150 pesos. I'll put the US conversion on the screen, but we think it'll be like 200 or 250 this time since we further down into town. So, and then we're going further down on the beach strip. So, yeah, we'll keep y'all updated and take y'all along with us. So we just got here and the taxi was 250.
We passed the restaurant that we ate at last week, Mateo's.
Yeah.
Where they have a sunset sky deck, and then they also have a sunset sky deck next door to local corazon,
Yeah.
a pure heart,
Pure
pure corazon.
Yeah.
So, but pure corazon sky deck is better than Mateo's because it's higher.
Yeah, but we were watching a basketball game at Mateo's, so we ended up missing the sunset anyway.
Yeah.
But it still was a fun day. So we're leaving now. The food was very good. Darian said that's the best food he had in Tulum so far. You got anything to say about the food, love?
Where do I begin? The T-bone was moist, flavorful. The garlic, it came with some garlic potato, garlic parmesan potato wedges. That was good. And then this little salsa and a little grill like cipollini onion. That was really nice. Sonny got a shrimp burger, but they minced the shrimp with some herbs and spices and formed it into a patty. That was good. The wings, everything was great.
On the issue that is.
What is that?
I said on the issue that is.
Temescal sweat lodge. I know.
This is for the menu, just if you want to see like something for a snack.
So we just left from getting sushi. We were their first customers and it was the best sushi I ever had.
They literally just opened like an hour before we went there. It's called Okoro,
Yeah.
and it's right here on the hotel and beach strip across from
It's next to Vagalom. It's the same owner as well.
yeah,
so
same owner as Vagalum. Everything was great. We
Yeah.
had spicy tuna, maki, spicy tuna, spicy tuna, spicy salmon, negi toro, I had a chutoro nigiri. We had miso soup and we got a complimentary sake.
Yeah.
And everything was great. Fresh,
Yeah.
flavorful, true Japanese cuisine.
Yeah. We were just walking by and then we were like, what is that? And to
Yeah.
me, it looked like a sushi place because I saw how it was kind of set up inside, but Darren didn't see. And one of the staff was outside and she said sushi. And I'm happy we went inside. Like, we just went inside, look at the menu. They made a last minute reservation and we were the first customer. So, really good experience and we'll definitely
Be back.
be back here.
Highly
highly
recommended.
recommend.